Here you can see how much softer the squash is when you soak it in that salt water bath, which is exactly what we want. Fill each koussa about 2/3 of the way up. You don't want to overfill it because when the rice expands, you don't want it to blow up your koussa. And then stack them in a large pot on top of some meat with bones. My favorite cut to use is lamb shoulder chops. Stack them as evenly as possible and then add a plate on top of them and a small bowl of water to keep them from moving. Fill it with water and cook for 1 hour. In the meantime, here's what you do with leftover filling. Add it to a pot with a little bit of water, and we're going to add all the same ingredients we're going to add to the mahshi later. So we're going to add some mint, citric acid, and salt, and then we're going to cover it and let it cook for only about 10 minutes. Eat it with leban, and this is literally the best part of mahshi. Back to the regular mahshi, I skim off any foam that rises to the top, and then after 1 hour of cooking, I add some garlic and some mint. Let that cook for 15 minutes, and then I add passata or tomato sauce and salt. Let that cook for another 15 minutes, and then make sure you taste the broth and adjust the salt and lemon to your liking. I like to let it sit for about 20 minutes before serving, so that way it can cool down a bit and it's easier to work with. Pour out the liquid first. This is usually a 2-person job, and then you can go ahead and shimmy the koussa into a tray. If you see broken ones, shh, you don't. And alf saha.